Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how you can delete your Instagram account. Write whether my solution helped you, whether you managed to do so, and also when you still have any questions. Write below in the comments, I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. Go to Instagram. Then select the page where you want to delete your account. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. Meta Account Center. Here we scroll down. Click on Personal Details, Contact Information, Birthday. We click Account Ownership and Control. Then Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your Instagram neon board. Also choose Delete Account here. Then Continue. Choose the reason why we want to delete it. You can choose any reason you want. Let's say this one. Continue. Once again, click Continue. Next, we need to enter the password of our Instagram profile. After that, we need to confirm the password again. And after that, our account will be permanently deleted in Instagram. Let me know if my solution helped you, if it worked for you, and if you still have any questions. Please let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.